Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to install mods and maps. I know a lot of people who, probably just like me and don't even know how to install maps or mods or even resource packs. I'm gonna read over that too, but I'll show you how. Um, I'm not sure if this will work on a free version of Minecraft. What I mean is like cracked. Never tried before or anything. But I have a full version, so I'm gonna try in there. So first off, we're gonna install map. Now, it's different for Windows 7 users and Windows 8 users. First off, I'll show for Windows 7. Well, you know the start button right down here, right? It looks a little bit different. The thing down here looks a little bit different. Click it, and you should like have like a search bar right here. Type in how can I? Type in this percent app data percentage. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Oh, what just happened? My God. Just that, like that. Okay. Yeah, something just happened. I don't know. But, you know. Okay, something did happen there. That was pretty weird. Let's get back. Once you type in the app data percentage, it should pop up something like this. With like dot Minecraft. Well, don't worry about these. Those are just something else. But for Windows 8 users like me, scroll your mouse over to the top. It should pop up this little thing over here. Scroll down a bit and hit search. Type in the same thing, percent app data percentage. Enter, there you go. Now hit dot Minecraft. Once you got there, open up the map you downloaded. I can open up mine right here. I have no idea what happened to it. So yeah, right here. So I got the resource pack and world in here. Now when in the here, it might be different. Something might be different. They might not have these two folders. Maybe I just have this. But all should come in this in like a zip, or like So when you open this, it should go it should pop up like this. What you want to do with the world, make sure it has like something like these inside, like data, dim1, region, force, chunks, stuff, etc, etc. Now, in your .minecraft folder, open up saves, and drag that folder into saves. Now, once you know that, if you notice, let's let it a little bit up here. Okay. Oh God. God, oh God. Now, when you open up single player in Minecraft, you should find out that you got the world in there. Is that new music? It's weird. Well, anyways, Oh, duh, I see why. I accidentally for some reason it seems like it dragged the whole folder here. So what you want to just do if it does this, just right click, copy the world folder and just paste it in here. Let's keep that in there for now if it happens. Now if we cancel single player, now it should pop up. Yep, there you go. There's our map, or the map we downloaded. Okay, oh, got it. There you go. So, yep, that's that. Yeah. Okay, now, I decided not to do mods. I'm probably gonna do mods in, another video, because that's probably gonna make my video really long. I know. But now, to install texture packs, let's keep this close for now. Go back into your app data folder. And, I'm just gonna drag this desktop for now. Go back and find resource packs, which is right above saves. Now, go back in here and drag the .zip in there. Yep. And that's that simple. Now to load it, go onto Minecraft, options, resource packs, and find the one that you've got. There we go. And I've got a nice resource pack. Okay guys, I hope that helped. Next time I'll do how to install mods. So I'll see you later. Subscribe, comment, and like.